Here's how you can see the camera preview of the iPhone through the Apple Watch. Let's talk about it, and if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. So of course, the Apple Watch can be paired with one iPhone in order to be used to begin with, and this is a very strong connection between these two devices. And of course, you can also preview and control the camera of the iPhone from the watch. All you have to do is just to locate the camera app, which, as you can see, looks similar as on the iPhone, also on the watch, but there is the little shutter button indicating that this is not the actual camera of the watch, because there isn't any camera on the watch, but you're just controlling the iPhone camera remotely. So you can get inside and of course not only see the preview, but also click the shutter button, meaning that you have remote control over the camera. You can also switch to a different mode, and also you have the ability to set up different things like live photo and the timer and that kind of thing, right? So it's also giving you at least some settings. Some people were also asking me about how can you control the video playback and video recording on the Apple Watch through this app. I mean, it is possible, but you have to switch the camera mode on the iPhone, and then you can control it on the watch. You cannot really switch between the photo and camera mode on the watch itself. You have to switch between modes on the iPhone, but you can control both through the watch. So I hope it makes sense. I just try to explain it best I can. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. For now, that's gonna be about it, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.